Welcome back. Our topic is materials in Revit. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create new material and adjust the size, apply new material by paint or to the whole structure, material from Enscape, and create material from any picture or by RGB color code. Then lastly, applying material fast. So let's start. First, create new material in Revit. For this, go to the Manage tab and click Materials. Then from here, create new material, then right click, rename, give the name as white tile for path, white tile, enter. And then from here, select the tile from default library of Revit, go to the appearance, then search white tile, enter, and then load the required tile by clicking this. And now change the size by clicking the relief pattern. It is 2 inch by 2 inch, but we want this 2 feet by 2 feet. So I will from here 2 feet by 2 feet. Okay, apply and okay. Our material is created. Now we have to apply it. So go to the 3D view and make the section down, rotate and apply in the baths. By paint or by structure, you can apply by both. Go to the paint from modify tab, or you can enter PT from keyboard. Select white tile and apply on the surface. You can see in realistic view only it is applied. Or Control Z, select the floor, go to edit type, and then from structure edit, and from here you can apply the material by category, then select the white tile. Okay, okay, apply, okay. The material is applied. You can see in the realistic view it is applied. Now loading the material from the Enscape library. For this, go to the Enscape tab if you have Enscape in your system, and then go to the Enscape material library. From here you can select multiple. I need wood material. Go to the wood section and select wood 2. This is for hall, and wood 10 for the bedrooms, and I need this one for the deck, and import selection. All the three materials imported, and then close it. Now it's time to apply the materials. Now select the floor of bedroom, go to edit type, structure edit, and then finish material. We will choose wood 10 strip I need. Then I will press W from keyboard. It will go to the W section. I need this, and okay, okay, apply, okay. It is applied. Now for the main hall, select the floor, edit type, edit, finish material, then select wood to chevron, okay, okay, apply, okay. Similarly for the deck, select the deck, edit type, edit, then structure, brick bond, okay, okay, and okay. It is applied. Now for the stairs, same material for the deck, edit type, and then from run type, select monolithic material to wood 38, brick bond, okay, okay, okay. It is applied. Now we will create new material from the image. For that, go to the manage materials, and then from here create new material, rename it as wall exterior, enter, and then from image select the image, go to the location, and I need this one, open. And now we will fix the size. I need a size of, from scale, unlock this, width would be 4 feet and height would be 16 feet. Okay, apply. Okay, so it is wall exterior. I will extend it. Now from paint PT, from keyboard, and wall exterior, select it, apply to the walls like this. It is like a paint on the surface. It is applied. Escape. Then I need to create a new material from RGB code. Then go to the material and create new material. Rename it as wall core, or for the roof, enter. And then from color, change it to, as per your code, I will give it as 62, 62 or 60, 60, 62. Okay, apply. Okay, and then I will select the wall, edit type, apply to the wall structure, wall core. Okay, okay, apply. Okay, and now same to the roof. Select the roof, go to the edit type, edit, from structure, wall core. Okay, okay, apply. Okay, it is applied. Now last, there is a tip how to change the material of a family fastly. So for this, you must have the existing material. For example, I want to apply this black aluminium to this wooden material. So what will I do? I will select this and go to the edit type, and you can see jam material is aluminium. I will select it and control C. I will copy it, then OK, and then I will go to edit type of this window, and then from the sash material I will control V, paste here, and then apply. OK, you can see it is applied. Similarly for the gutter, select it, edit type, and then material, control V, apply. OK, so it is applied. All materials are applied. You can see we can cut it, see in 3D how our plan is looking. If you want to see the ground level in realistic, ground level, then from here choose realistic. You can see it's looking really nice. So that's all for the materials. Thank you so much. That's all from my side. We'll see you in the next tutorial.